How to add a product's manufacturing contact information. By the end of this guide you should be able to do the following. Explain what adding manufacturing contact information to products means, explain why you might need to add manufacturing contact to products, and navigate the CRM interface to add manufacturing contact information to your products. In Dynamics CRM, product manufacturing contact information includes details of suppliers, manufacturers, or vendors. Users add this data to streamline procurement, track inventory, and ensure smooth supply chain management. Having accurate manufacturing contacts aids in swift communication, timely deliveries, and maintaining quality, optimizing operations, and fostering successful business partnerships. Let's look at how to do it. Click on the item Home. Click on the item Products. Double-click on the product you want to add the manufacturing contact information to. Click on the Lookup field Manufacturer Contact. Search and select the contact you want to add as the manufacturing contact. If the contact information is not already saved in your system, you need to add the contact's information first, and then repeat these steps. Click on the menu item Save. You have now saved a product's manufacturing contact information. If you want to learn more about account management tasks, we recommend you view the guide on how to add a contact next.